Want to earn money on YouTube without ever showing your face? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's 2024, and thanks to AI, that dream is now a reality. In this step-by-step course, I'll show you exactly how to launch a successful faceless YouTube channel and use AI to do the heavy lifting. First things first, you need a niche. The key is finding something people are searching for that also pays well. Think tech tutorials, health tips, or even cats. Okay, maybe not cats. But niches like personal finance, productivity hacks, or trending tech are always winners. Use tools like Google Trends or TubeBuddy to research trending topics and find out what your potential audience wants. Here's where AI steps in. Tools like ChatGPT can help you write scripts for any topic in minutes. Just input your topic, and boom, instant script. The best part? You can edit it to match your style. Don't like the sound of your voice? No problem. AI tools like ElevenLabs or Muff AI can generate natural-sounding voices for your videos. Choose from male, female, or even an Australian accent if you're feeling fancy. For visuals, use tools like Pictory or Canva. Pictory can turn your scripts into engaging videos by matching text with stock footage automatically. Editing can make or break your video. Use free tools like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve for professional-looking results. Add captions, sound effects, and a little pizzazz to keep viewers hooked. When you're ready to upload, optimize. Use strong titles, detailed descriptions, and hashtags. And don't forget thumbnails, they're your video's first impression. Canva is perfect for making eye-catching thumbnails that scream, "Click me." Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for YouTube monetization. But don't stop there, diversify with sponsorships, affiliate links, and even selling digital products. Remember, consistency and quality are the keys to growing your channel and turning it into a passive income machine. And there you have it, everything you need to start a monetized, faceless YouTube channel with AI. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, and let's make 2025 your year.